Hey, since you already have an online store, why not give it a bit of an upgrade? With this MailerLite app and just a few clicks, you can add some very powerful newsletter automation to your online marketing arsenal. Just click, choose a product straight from your Shopify store, click, insert it into your newsletter, and you're ready to go. Not only that, but every time your client buys a product or even a specific product or 2 or 3, they will get this email or a set of automated and personalized newsletters with your thank you message, a promotional coupon, an upsell, downsell, or whatever you need. Not only that, but with data sync and sales tracking, you can now clearly see how the effort you're putting into every email is paying off. And with our additional integration, you'll get intelligent pop-ups, custom landing pages, and much, much more. Give it a try. It's free for up to 1,000 subscribers, and each plan comes with our passionate online support.